Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to design today's Uber system design. As you guys know about the Ubers, if you are from tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, even tier 3, you know about the how does Ubers works. It's if you don't know, just search on the Google what does mean by Uber. It's related to the traveling agency. You have to book uh, some kind of four-wheeler, yeah, two-wheeler or cab for the traveling for particular in particular city. So you can order a book from that particular application. So uh, Uber will going to be designed in this video, and uh, as you know about the I earlier talk about the simple way or common way to design any common way to give the answer of system design to any particular what we can say interview. So we have to follow some standard rule. First one is to ask the requirement, then we'll go for the once we ask the requirement, we'll ask the plan and the like core or entity or entities. Okay, then we'll build some APIs, sample APIs, then we'll design this HLD like high level design basically. And once we completed the high level design, we'll have to deep down some of the part of that particular HLD high level design. So yeah, so these things once the interviewer may are not satisfied at that particular services will design we'll go deep dive into that particular services. I will let you know how does you can go and how do you have to approach that particular thing once we are reach of that the position. So let's start with the we functional requirement. In requirement we have the two type of functional requirements. So one is functional requirement. Okay, so uh, okay, so functional requirement in the as you guys know about the rider app. So we'll go with the functional requirement is a rider should able to start like if user wanted to start pickup point and one will be the pickup point. We know actually pickup point and to drop point. So drop point, so we need that as well in the list. Okay, from the map or whatever it is we have, we can get it from the over there. So based on this distance we'll get the amount how much they are. Check he have option to select two-wheeler slash four-wheeler, three-wheeler slash four-wheeler. Okay, so uh, based on the and premium or some other concept we can add there. Premium and it cost or all cost will give the option over there. And once the we reach once the we reach so upon the request driver request the drivers once the customer requested, so we user have to wait user have to wait user have to wait up to the accept it was accept the request as the yeah, and it should be the minutes, so based on the minutes, so it may be 10 minutes, I think so. 10 minutes is big, so we can go with the 3 minutes minute once the I think. Okay, so this is for the user, this is for the driver. So once the okay, so we'll go the drivers will talk. So once the request is come, so driver one driver will get real time alert alert like ringing GNG or something or or something only so not for all which is system associate, so we have to give the alert only nearby drivers who can reach in only, let's see, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, let's say 5 minutes to the requested location. Okay, once the completed, so accept done, accept done, so it should be complete. Show location. Third, fourth will be the as OTP verification, verification, and then once the OTP verification done, so once the OTP verification done, we can show the dropping location to the driver. Before why we are hiding this location and all of this thing, because some security reason we will going to be hide that real time. And okay, okay, so this is something we missed in user, we might have to OTP by OTP. Okay, so for the I saw a lot of Ubers, they actually don't have the OTP. It the same OTP who whichever generated for the particular rhythm. Okay, so this is something we wanted to be achieve entire thing. This both is user side. This is user side requirement. Okay, and okay, so okay, so yeah, and mm, okay, I think this is pretty much about the functional requirement. Let's talk about the non-functional requirement. Thank you. Eric. Okay. Okay. So non-functional requirement is one. As per let's I will not going to directly jump into the non-functional requirement. You will go one by one. Let's see, pick up point, drop point. So this is the something functional requirement. This is the one service we wanted, that functional require. In this case, we want more availability, because user have to have show the pickup point, because a lot of user, because we need this, for this we need the data consistency for this. Some of the point you think how will going to you have to think like this, because Let's see the once the request is sent it to the driver, only one driver have to accept that. You can't accept the two drivers and reach that. That's mean back that's mean we need the data consistency over there. So for the search, let's go with the for the search, we need more availability, because we don't care about the data, because availability. Okay. And for the other thing which is called the availability, which is called the request booking. Let's see booking is, we need more availability, more data consistency. Con See, so or if we called overall, so we can't say directly directly the availability more over the consistency, not definitely, because we need for the particular part for availability and for critical for consistency. And third one, we also need the latency. We will not going to be compromise for that. So low latency we want, because ऐसा नहीं हो जाए कि यूज़र ने यूज़र ने क्या किया, रिक्वेस्ट सेंड की, सो ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. So that's why we want low latency. Okay, so for the ride, it should be around less than 3 minutes. 3 minutes, because within a 3 minute rider have to accept that. And next okay, I think this is much for the uh, what we can say, non-functional requirement. Okay, so let's jump into the next thing. So now this is the point where you have to ask for interviewer. Do it like just ask them. I think this is pretty much. Do you think we can add more into this? So the interviewer will suggest you the some step. Oh yeah.